Save your sanity and your bank account with these affordable gift ideas for Christmas coming up next. Hey guys, I'm Yesenia. If you're new to our channel, we're WealthFit, and we want to help you lead a life of true wealth. We're going to do that today by sharing with you our top 5 gifts for the entrepreneur in your life.
Now, what I need from you is gift ideas. Impress me.
Number 5, do-it-yourself motivational calendar for your entrepreneurial lover. Boy, that's a mouthful. Use a service like Shutterfly and find some inspirational business quotes online. Then each month, your giftee will be inspired.
Please, sir, inspire us.
Number 4, waterproof notepad. We often do our best thinking while cleaning our nether regions in the shower, but forget our genius ideas by the time we're able to jot it down. Your entrepreneurial friends will never have to worry again with this nifty notepad. Number 3, a Kindle. Books are endless brain fuel for your ideas person. Then add in the fact that you can carry all of your books with you and your friend will be in knowledge heaven. You can even preload one of our favorite books, The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday, as a great start to their collection. An upgrade to this pick would be to add in a subscription to Audible. Audiobooks are like crack to entrepreneurs, and with their new Whisper Sync technology, you can even pick up where you left off between reading a book on your Kindle and listening to the book on your iPhone. Magic!
Magic, 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 magic.
Number 2, a WealthFit Course. A little shameless self-promotion here. Give the up-and-coming entrepreneur the gift of learning from some of the most successful investors and entrepreneurs in the world so that they can get out of debt, make more money, start investing, or launch their own business. And finally, number 1, a productivity planner. It can be tough for entrepreneurs to stick to set schedules even if it's one they created themselves. That's where the productivity planner can come in handy. By using a Pomodoro-style work system, it can help people become more productive daily and make sure that nothing slipped through the cracks. The entrepreneur in your life will thank you. If we missed anything, let us know below in the comments. We're the best. Pick us out. I looked up at you to get approval. I cannot see. I was like spitting on myself. What did you write?